Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very quick and easy healthy sabji recipe which you can enjoy with roti or puri. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. I have already finely chopped 2 green chilies. Now green chilies you can increase or decrease to suit your taste, and also finely chopped 1/4 inch of ginger. Heat a pressure cooker with 1 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Now instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use any locally sourced unrefined wood pressed oil like wood pressed til oil, mustard oil, coconut oil, or even desi ghee. Once the oil is heated, I am adding in 3/4 teaspoon of methi seeds, also known as fenugreek seeds. Into that I am adding in 3 whole red chilies which I am breaking into 2 and adding. Now reduce the flame to the lowest and add in the chopped ginger and green chilies. Let it lightly saute on low flame for about a minute. Now in this particular recipe there is no mustard seeds or cumin seeds. Once the ginger and green chilies are lightly sauteed, add in half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder, and give this all a mix. You just need to lightly roast it for about a minute so that the raw flavor of the spices are diminished. And I have already roughly chopped and peeled 750 grams of pumpkin, also known as kaddu. So now I am adding in the peeled and roughly chopped kaddu. So this is 750 grams of peeled and chopped kaddu. Add in 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed. Put the flame on high, give this a mix. This is a very quick and easy and very simple and light sabji which you can have with puri or chapati. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon hing, also known as kayam in Malayalam, and cover the pressure cooker. Once steam comes through the hob, place the weight on it and pressure cook for about 6 to 7 whistles and then turn off the flame. Open the cooker once the pressure has released by itself. So once the pressure has released by itself, remove the weight and open the cooker. And with a ladle, mash the pumpkin. So now I have mashed the pumpkin. Now into this I am adding in 3/4 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. Again give this a mix. And lastly I am adding in chopped coriander leaves. Again give this a mix. And my quick and easy healthy kaddu sabji is ready to serve. I'm serving the kaddu sabji with kapli wheat roti. So guys, do try this healthy kaddu sabji and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.